everyone! I'm so excited today because we are making one of the most popular cakes here in Italy, the SBRICIOLATA. This recipe is quick, easy and so satisfying. It's one of those cakes we make for afternoon snack time that we call merenda. And trust me, every Italian kid has grown up eating this, but even adults still love it as much. We usually pair it with a glass of iced tea in summer or a cozy cup of tea in winter. However you enjoy it is a comfort cake. Simple, rustic and full of flavor. Let's jump into it. You'll need 500 of all-purpose flour, which is about 4 cups, 200 grams of cold butter, which is about 7 ounces, 200 grams of granulated sugar, which is about 1 cup,
2 eggs and 10 grams of baking powder, which is 2 teaspoons,
zest of 1 lemon and 1 orange, a pinch of salt, and the jam. I chose the cherry one, but you can choose whatever you want. Take a large bowl and crack in the eggs. Now add the sugar. And also the lemon zest. Okay, now the orange zest. Now give everything a good stir using a spatula. Adesso cut the cold butter into cubes like this and add it into the bowl. Now we're gonna mix. Bye-bye spatula, because we're going to use our hands. First, we need to sift the baking powder. Now we can add all our flour inside the bowl. From now on, use your hand to combine the dough. We're not looking for a smooth dough. You want it to stay crumbly, like little pebbles. Okay, let's go in. Let's smash it. Quick question while we're mixing. What's your favorite jam or filling? Drop in a comment below and tell me. I might use it in the next version of this recipe. This texture is exactly what gives this SBRICIOLATA its name. I think we're done. Grab a round baking pan and butter it, or line it with parchment paper. Here is my baking pan. I'm going to butter it in the sides. If you have the spray, it's okay too. Take a bit more than a half of your crumbly dough and put inside your baking pan. Press it gently into the bottom of the pan. It's also time to preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, using a static mood. Take your favorite jam and spread a generous layer over the base. Like this. Now we're gonna put the rest of our dough up to our cake. Just like this. Now that we have sprinkled the rest of the crumble dough all over the top, pop into the oven and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, using a static mood. Once the SBRICIOLATA is done baking, let it cool completely before removing it from the pan. Then slice it and serve it up. Here you get the perfect contrast between the crumbly top and the soft jammy center. It's sweet, simple and seriously addictive. If this cake made you feel a little more Italian today, why not to stick around for more? Subscribe to my channel for a cozy, authentic Italian baking recipe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss what we bake next. Now I'm gonna taste this. Do you like it? Mamma mia, troppo buona ragazzi. So good. You have to try this.